Chitwan Medical College, CMC presents Career Quiz. Brought to you by Nebico Biscuit, Manmai Basyo Nebico. Taxishila Academy, Samakusi, Kathmandu. Sponsored by Global College International, GCE A-Level, Golden Gate International College, Prime College, K&K International College, Kathmandu Bernhardt College. In association with DAV, Sushil Kedia Vishwa Bharati Higher Secondary School, Orient College, Quest Group of Institutions.
Wear old coat, buy new books. बरु थोत्रो कपडा लाउनुस्, किताब नयाँ किन्नुस्। ज्ञानको भण्डारलाई ठूलो बनाउनुस्, त्यसले सदैव तपाईको जिन्दगीमा सफलता दिनेछ। Welcome to Career Quiz 2013. I am your quiz master GP Timil Sinha. Brand new episode को लागि contestants-हरु हामीमा आइसक्नु भएको छ। Let's introduce them. Let's begin with Radiant Readers. Very next participants we have Wisdom English Academy. And we have Samata Shiksha Niketan. Contestants सँगसँगै हामीसँग विभिन्न एक्सपर्टका गेस्टहरु हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँहरुको परिचय लियौं। हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ प्रिन्सिपल हुनुहुन्छ उहाँ हिम्स कलेजका मिस्टर आरसी खनाल। र अर्का गेस्ट हामीमाझ हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँ प्रिन्सिपल हुनुहुन्छ प्रिसियस नेशनल कलेजका मिस्टर गोपीराज पराजुली। वेलकम टु द शो सर। त्यसैगरी हामीमाझ हुनुहुन्छ स्काई लार्क कलेजका एमडी र हाइड्रो जियोलॉजिस्ट मिसेस रमा श्रेष्ठ। वेलकम टु द शो मैम। With this introduction, qualifying round को यो अर्को एपिसोड शुरू गरौं and let's begin the game. And first round is curriculum round.
Southwestern State College, proud to be associated with Curriculum Round.
Curriculum round को first question. Radiant readers, ready? And your question is, which type of glass is also called as quartz glass?
Water glass.
I'm so sorry, that's not the right answer, my friend. Over to you, Wisdom.
Hard glass.
Samata.
Radar glass.
None of the team could answer this. Right answer I have. The right answer is silica glass. Curriculum round ko dosro question. Wisdom. Ready? And your question is, what is the main motto of Scout?
Be prepared.
That is the right answer, my friend. Now, Samata, get ready. Your question is, what is the full form of NMR in population studies?
The full form of NMR is net migration rate.
That is the right answer. With this, we completed our first very round, and second round is career round.
Redon College, proud to be associated with Career Round.
Career round ko first question, Samata. Get ready. And your question is, what is the 3-year intermediate level practical engineering course called, and whose product are also called junior engineers?
Pass.
Wisdom.
Overseer.
Overseer. I believe it's the right answer. Wisdom, good going. And your question from the career round is, what is the full form of TOEFL, TOEFL?
Pass.
Okay, Radiant. Full form of TOEFL, TOEFL. Samata.
Technical Organization for English Language.
Technical Organization for English Language is not the right answer, baby. Sorry. The right answer is Test of English as Foreign Language. Career round ko next very question. Answer dinner, Radiant readers. Get ready. And your question is: which is the first private university of Nepal? Samata.
Kathmandu University.
That is the right answer. With this we completed our second round. तपाईहरुको स्कोर भन्नुभन्दा अगाडि हामीसँग स्टुडियोमा गेस्ट हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँसँग कुराकानीलाई अगाडि बढाउँछु म. Let's begin with Mr. R.C. Khanal. And what do you see it नेपालमा IT का स्टुडेन्ट्सहरुले गर्न सक्ने स्कोप के छ?
Every sector is being influenced by IT throughout the world, globally. So in Nepal, we can see the students, whether they are in bachelor's level program or in master's level program, they, as soon as they finish their courses, they go for the development side. And many of them go for the software development, and majority of them, if they are from computer engineering,
that's right,
they go for the additional programming, and that is a very, very important thing. You know, even this environment where we are at the present, this is totally IT affected program.
That's right.
And there is enormous future of IT in Nepal.
Thank you very much for your wonderful words. Big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And let's proceed towards the score. Until now, the score is... Okay, television and Dashabin, K Sano Kam Sabani, please go ahead. Ayalosh. We just need a short educational break. Thank you very much. Thank you.
CMC presents Career Quiz. Grammar School and College, Setiopi Marga, Koteswar, AJW College, GCE A-Level, Panipokhari Maharajganj, Everest College, Truly Management College, Thapathali Kathmandu. Proud to be associated with CMC presents Career Quiz.
Viewers Question of the Week.
आजको Viewers Question of the Week मा प्रश्न यस प्रकारको रहेको छ. एमनेस्टी इन्टरनेशनल के विषयसँग सम्बन्धित संस्था हो? अप्सन ए मानव अधिकार, अप्सन बी वातावरण संरक्षण, अप्सन सी स्वास्थ्य. जवाफ पठाउनका लागि आफ्नो मोबाइलको मेसेज बक्समा गई टाइप गर्नुहोस् CQ स्पेस सही अप्सन ए, बी अथवा सी अनि सेन्ड गर्नुहोस् 5006 मा. सही जवाफ पठाउनु हुने दर्शकले जित्नु हुनेछ आकर्षक गिफ्ट ह्याम्पर. Hurry now, it's your chance to win.
कसै पो के नै गर्छ, जे नगर भन्नु गर्दियो. मन परेसम्म ठिकै छ, नपरे आँसु झार्दियो. रिस उठे चुकले आमालाई, नेबीको भए फकियो. लाज मान्न कहिले नपर्ने, बालापन मेरो सकियो. खै अब त ठुलो भइएछ, आफ्नो अघि नेबीको खाए पनि चुप लाग्दैछ रहेछ. तर कति समय यार, मलाई पनि देऊ न नेबीको.
वर्षौंदेखिको मिठा सोयो हाम्रो
नेबीको बिस्कुट मनमै बस्यो नेबीको.
CMC presents Career Quiz. Supported by Everest International College, EIC Soltimode Kalimati, TIA College, Hatigaura, Kathmandu. Edmark College, Kalanki, Kathmandu.
Shan International College, Giridhara, Kathmandu.
Which one would you prefer more? Naturally, you'd prefer mature one. KMK International College, New Baneswar, Kathmandu. Phone 4474-557. KMK International College means mature education. Prime CA for Chartered Accountancy. Key features: experienced team of faculties, sufficient study materials, scholarships on merit basis. For details, Prime CA, New Baneshwar, Kathmandu. Phone 4783-206. Quality education for quality life. Raden College, Samakushi, Kathmandu.
Chitwan Medical College, CMC presents Career Quiz. Brought to you by Nebico Biscuit, Manmai Basyo Nebico. Praxishila Academy, Samakusi, Kathmandu.
Hello, namaste and warm welcome to Career Quiz 2013. सबैजना टेलिभिजनको सेट अगाडि आइपुग्नुभयो? Yes. कोही छुट्नु भएको छ भने please come over soon. We're starting the quiz again. And the very next round is corporate.
Prime CA for Chartered Accountancy, proud to be associated with Corporate Round.
The corporate round ko पहिलो question ko answer दिन. Read and readers, you have a lot more chance still there. Buck up. Alright? Your question is, what was the old name of Yencel brand of cell phones?
Miro Mobile.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
That is the right answer. Now wisdom, get ready. Corporate round ko arko question. Your question is, which remittance company has Global Bank merged to form a new bank?
IMA.
Pura naam kyo?
International Money Express.
That is the right answer. Now corporate round ko very next question. Samata, get ready. And your question is, think different is the slogan of which computer company of the world?
Philips.
Sorry?
Philips.
Philips. It's not the right answer, my friend. Read and readers.
Microsoft.
You said it Microsoft. It's not right answer, my friend. Over to you, wisdom.
Panasonic.
Panasonic also doesn't produces any computer. It's wrong answer. It seems nobody could give the right answer. The right answer is Apple. With this, we completed our this very round, and let's proceed to next round, that is Max View.
Reliance International Academy, proud to be associated with Max View Round.
Before I put you the question, please listen this audio.
I regard myself as a soldier, though a soldier of peace. I know the value of discipline and truth. I must ask you to believe me when I say that I have never...
Also known as Sage of Sevagram, name this greatest political leader of the world history from India. Yes, Radiant.
Mahatma Gandhi.
The great Mahatma Gandhi is the right answer. Before I put on to the next question, please listen this audio. The lyricist of this song is आधुनिक कवि Gopal Prasad Rimal. Now please name the band who sang this song. Samata.
1974.
1974 AD.
Yeah.
That's the right answer. 1974 AD. Max View को अर्को क्वेशन सोध्नु भन्दा अगाडि we have an advertisement on a screen. Please watch it.
घामको विकिरणबाट जोगाउनका साथै 4 हप्तामै मुहारलाई गोरो र चम्किलो बनाउँछ। नयाँ फेयर एन्ड लभली हरेक दिन छ अनमोल।
Fair and Lovely. The brand of beauty product is owned by which multinational company? Samata.
Unilever.
Unilever is the right answer. With this, we completed our Max View round. And before I tell you what is the score you got, we have guest in our studio. We'll just have a small chat. We have Mrs. Rama Shrestha. Ma'am, I'll just ask you regarding the question of hydro. 17 घण्टा 18 घण्टाको लोड सेडिङ को मारमा हामी परिरहेका नेपाली, राइट? अनि यो फिजिबल अनुसार त हामी 83,000 84,000 82,000 को कुरा गर्छौं। कहाँ गएर यो चुरो अड्केको छ म्याम? यो हाइड्रो किन यो वर्षौंदेखि त्यही उखान चलेको छ?
अब यो पानी मात्र भएर भएन, पानीको हामीले युज पनि लिनु पर्यो हैन?
हजुर।
We have sufficient of lots of water. We should know how to take the use of it.
Right.
हैन त? पानी त थुप्रै छ नि, त्यसको युज गर्नलाई हामीले अब कहाँ अड्केको छ हैन? पोलिटिकली, अब टेक्निकली, इकोनोमिकली, अब त्यो सबैले गरेर नै हामीले नपाएको हो भने एउटा दूरदर्शिताको कुरा आउँछ हैन? अब हाम्रो पहिले मान्छे कम थियो, यतिले बिजुली पुग्छ भन्ने थियो हैन? अब एउटा लङ टर्म प्लानिङ भनौँ न, लङ टर्म प्लानिङमा अब हामीले यति इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यो बेलामा चाहिन्छ, यति पानीले यहाँबाट आउँछ भनेर पनि भएन। लट्स अफ थिङ बिहाइन्ड इट के, यो त मात्र होइन नि, यो त भने सरकारी तर्फबाट पनि त्यतिकै हामीलाई नियम कानुन नीतिहरूको कुरा आयो हैन? अब पानीको ड्यामदेखि लिएर आयो, अब सर्वेको कुरा आयो, तर सबभन्दा पहिले त पैसाको कुरा आयो।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Now let's proceed towards the score. Now, Ajja ek round back is Tibanda Agadi. We just need a short educational break. You're watching Career Quiz 2013. Please do not go anywhere. Just Choto educational break. Thank you.
CMC presents Career Quiz. Grammar School and College, Setiopi Marga, Koteswar, AJW College, GCE A-Level, Panipokhari Maharajganj, Everest College, Truly Management College, Thapathali Kathmandu. Proud to be associated with CMC presents Career Quiz. Chitwan Medical College, CMC presents Career Quiz. Sponsored by Global College International, GCE A-Level, Golden Gate International College, Prime College, K&K International College, Kathmandu Bernhardt College.
6 continents, 1,000 cities, 1,000,000 options, 100 industries, 1 qualification, Cambridge A-level in Orient College, Chakrapat, Maharajganj, Kathmandu. Phone 40178134372966. Number 1 in numbers.
I am global.
I am proud.
I can choose.
Celebrating 12th anniversary, AZW College announces admission open for Cambridge A-level program. Contact AZW College, Pani Pokhari, Maharajganj, Kathmandu. Phone 400-2547. CMC presents Career Quiz, supported by
Florida Education Network, Shantinagar Gate, Kathmandu.
Zubilian College, Kalimati, Kathmandu. National School of Sciences, NIST, Lainsaur, Kathmandu. Kathmandu Model College, Bagbazar, Kathmandu.
Metro College, New Baneshwar, Kathmandu.
Welcome back after this short educational break. You are watching Career Quiz 2013. Game is interestingly going on. And now the very next round is Speed Score.
Kathmandu Valley College, proud to be associated with Speed Score Round.
And Speed Score ko set 1 ko 10 question ko right jawab dina. Radiant readers, get ready. And your questions are: what is the capital city of Egypt?
Cairo.
What is the currency of Netherlands?
Pass.
Mount Kilimanjaro lies in which continent?
Africa.
Hitler was the dictator of which country?
Germany.
Who is the first Prime Minister of Nepal?
Vincent Thapa.
Who is the inventor of safety match?
Pass.
The retail giant Walmart belongs to which country?
Pass.
When is World Blood Donors Day celebrated? With that, Radiant readers, you made it 4 right answers. Now Speed Score ko set to ko sabi 10 question ko right dinner. Get ready, wisdom. And your questions are: what is the capital city of Greece?
Athens.
What is the currency of Ireland?
Euro.
Mount McKinley lies in which continent?
North America.
Mussolini was a dictator of which country?
Italy.
Lionel Messi is a player of which sports?
Football.
Who is the first elected Prime Minister of Nepal?
Vigoirala.
Who won the Wimbledon 2012 in men's single?
Roger Federer.
Who is the inventor of safety pin?
Pass.
The retail giant Carrefour belongs to which country?
UK.
When is World Refugee Day celebrated?
July 11.
With this wisdom, you made it 5 right answers. Now Speed Score ko set 3 ko all 10 answers. Are you ready for that? The right answers. And your questions are: what is the capital city of Brazil?
Rio de Janeiro.
What is the currency of Portugal?
Euro.
Mount McKinley lies in which continent?
North America.
Stalin was a dictator of which country?
France.
Mike Tyson was the player of which sports?
Tennis.
Who is the first Prime Minister of Federal Republic of Nepal? Ganatantric Nepal ko Who is the inventor of first practical radar system?
Pass.
The retail giant Carrefour belongs to which country?
USA.
When is World Indigenous People Day celebrated?
Pass.
You could just answer 2 right 1. Well done. Final round is completed, and before I tell you the score, we have guest in our studio. Let's welcome him and let's talk to him. He is Mr. Gopiraj Parajuli. He is expert in language. Gopi sir, भाषा सबैले बोल्नु पर्छ, एकले अर्कालाई बुझाउनको निमित्त भाषा प्रयोग गर्छौं। अनि भाषामा दक्षता किन हुनु जरुरी छ जस्तो लाग्छ?
भाषा स्वाभाविक रूपमा विभिन्न ठाउँमा बस्ने मान्छेहरूको आफ्नो त्यो राज्यको त्यो क्षेत्रको भाषा हुन्छ र स्वाभाविक रूपमा सुरुमा फर्स्टमा उनीहरू त्यो समाजसँग आफू हेबिचुएट हुने हुनाले त्यहीबाट त्यो भाषा सिक्ने कुरा स्वाभाविक हो। तर भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई मैले के सल्लाह सुझाव दिन चाहन्छु यो भाषाको सन्दर्भमा भने हामीले जुन मातृभाषाको रूपमा हामीले जुन प्रमुख भाषाको रूपमा जुन भाषा बोल्छौं त्यो भाषाको महत्त्व स्वाभाविक रूपमा आफ्नो ठाउँमा छ, त्यसलाई हामीले चाहिँ क्यारी आउट गर्नै पर्छ। तर त्यो सँगसँगै हामी अहिले जुन वर्ल्ड हाम्रो एउटा नेशनल कन्टेक्स्टमा मात्रै नभएर त्योभन्दा बाहिर पनि त्यो पेरिफेरी भन्दा बाहिर गएर पनि हामीले चाहिँ विभिन्न फोरमहरुमा कम्पिटिसन गर्नु जरुरी छ। त्यो सन्दर्भमा स्वाभाविक रूपमा अरु विभिन्न भाषाहरुमा हामीले हाम्रो दक्षता बढाउँदै लग्यौं भने यसले भविष्यमा हामीलाई चाहिँ लाइफ लिभ गर्नलाई पनि सहयोग गर्ने कुरा हुन्छ। त्यसकारण यो भाषा विभिन्न भाषा यो या त्यो भाषा किन बोल्ने कसरी बोल्ने भन्ने कुरा भन्दा पनि यो आवश्यकताले सिर्जना गर्ने कुरा हो भन्ने म ठान्छु।
Thank you very much. Big round of applause to him, please. Now let's proceed to the final score. Samata, congratulations. Welcome to quarter-final round. Qualifying round, tapale jitnubo, and remaining rest of the teams, you also made it really wonderful. You tried hard. Big round of applause to them. And guest Haru, for your wonderful words and your time. Thank you very much. Thank you. The television and Sampurna Darshakaru, thank you very, very much. See you in the next episode. Till then, please do take care of yourself and God bless you. Thank you very much.
Chitwan Medical College, CMC presents Career Quiz. Brought to you by Nebico Biscuit, Manmai Basyo Nebico, Taxishila Academy, Samakusi, Kathmandu. Sponsored by Global College International, GCE A-Level, Golden Gate International College, Prime College, K&K International College, Kathmandu Bernhardt College. In association with DAV, Sushil Kedia Vishwabharati Higher Secondary School, Orient College, Quest Group of Institutions.